day one of my, I want to say strip down. I'm going to put the FT700 in here. So I'm stripping out all my old stuff. Got majority of the MSD system out, the box, the timing boost master, two-step, that's all out. Numerous gauges are out. Got my hood off so I can work on it easier and get to the wiring. This is the pile of mess, rat nest I had in there, my helper. But yeah, I got the seats out as well. And I'm planning on replacing the carpet while I'm at it. All right, another update today. I got front wheel speed sensor in there. I'll show you some clips of that, how I did it. But pretty much I'm using the bolts from the brake wheel hub right there. And hopefully that'll pick up against that sensor. And there was conveniently a hole in my spindle, so I used that, and I just kind of put it offset. Hopefully it'll work. And other stuff I got to do, I'm just gonna, I got a transmission temp right here I got put in, and then pull it temp is in. So I just gotta unroute the lines here, pull them through, and I don't even know where the transmission went. Oh, here it is. Pull that one through. That was right here. So, and then continue disassembling the distributor, get that out. Then I can put this plug in, cam sync plug. Another thing I'm going to do is get rid of this heater core and put a block off plate and route my wires through there. That's the old one we're taking out. So you gotta just roll up that little cord. Do it nice like Daddy showed you. That's a little too small.
Like this?
Yep, just like that. Come on, roll it up. Well, you got it. Nobody wants to see your back of your head. You can set down right there. Yeah, we're gonna get all these things out of here and make room. Clean everything out of here.
Yeah. Clean everything out of here.
There you go. That's perfect. Just perfect. Yep.
Okay.
All right. Good job.
Do we put
Now just. Oh yeah, we'll have to repaint that, but you can put that right over here.
Okay.
Put it in the pile right there. Pile of everything else. And now grab the rest of those things and put it in that pile too.
Even this?
Yep, even that. Okay. And
put too much in my
yep.
That's why I don't want it.
All right. Good job. Gently. Okay, and that piece of wood too, right there. That's what was holding the other gauges. Yep, but we're not using all those gauges. We're gonna get rid of all those gauges now.
Why?
Because we got something better coming. You'll see it.
No, when is it coming?
It's actually here already. You remember all those wire? It's.
Huh?
You'll see it in like a week or so. We'll get ready to put it in. We got to get rid of all this stuff and all that old wiring.
That's a lot of work.
Yeah, but
Why did you put it in there?
well, we started out with the old stuff. Now we're going with the new stuff. Times are changing.
Yep.
Yep.
It comes so fast.
Yep.
Where did this go?
All right, you can just throw that over there.
Okay.
All right, let's get that one line out, the oil pressure line.
Okay, but how? What
I'll do it.
is
Here, let's see. Okay. You can try to cut it there. See, if you can cut it, then you can pull it all the way through. Yep, I didn't think you could pull it through, baby. Here, Daddy will cut it. Here, and then we'll pull it through the other side. Okay?
Ow! It's
Here, just
stretching out my hand.
you just hold it right there, like that. It's recording right now, baby. Make sure you're recording, Daddy. You're the recorder. All right, see? We got that part now. Now we're just gonna pull it through the other side, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, come on.
Oh, what happened? What happened?
Come on, little one. Get that guy through there. Oh, can you go to get those pliers?
What?
The pliers that we just had?
Oh, okay.
There we go. This zip ties for days.
Feels like there's a fire in here. It's so hot.
All right. So that is free. And I'll have to go underneath and see if I can get that line undone. All right, off camera, I ended up getting that oil pressure line off, and then I got a oil pressure sensor installed. So that was more work than I thought it was going to be, just because the headers were all in the way and the location of the port in the block. You can't, I don't think you can even see it. No, you can't even see that thing. It's way down there and there. So, but I'm sure. Next thing I think I'm going to do is go ahead and pull my starter, which also requires me to take off a couple header tubes, and I'm gonna send that out to get rebuilt while I'm on this little journey. All right, so these headers off here.